Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new here, how you doing? Hey, hello. Okay, so you know about the title. We are gonna get right into this. Fenty Beauty has dropped the Killawatt highlighters, new Killawatt highlighters, and new Stunna lip paints, and we talking about all of it today. Every last one of them. Obviously, you can see my gorgeous finish here, my face. I mean, what you think? Huh? Let me know what you think. Alright, we're going to talk about that. I'm going to give you guys my opinions, if there really is an opinion. I was just really excited for this collection, and I could not wait to give you guys a bomb look with this collection. And right on time, guess what today is? Valentine's Day. All right, so let's go ahead, let's get started with this. I'm not gonna keep you, let's get it rolling. Little shameless plug before you end this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tap the bell so that anytime I upload you get a notification. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, so we are going to get into the Killawatt freestyle highlighters. There were two released prior to Valentine's Day. So we've got Chillz, Wattabrat. These colors in person are extremely gorgeous. I know that you have seen them all over social media, so there's no need to really get into that. But here is a swatch of Wattabrat.
Message.
What am I?
Someone loves you.
Oh, honey, how y'all filming? What? Why you so disrespectful? Thank you, honey. These so disrespectful. These are beautiful. Oh, I love bears. Oh. You're so sweet. I can't stand you. Guys, we interrupt this program for a quick message. We'll be right back after these messages. I got it there. Okay, and we are back. I was not expecting that at all. My husband is just fantastic, so just the light of my life. You know what, y'all? Shameless plug. If you haven't seen our wedding video, then you need to look at that, and I will leave that in the description below. Now that that moment of sweetness is over with, let's get back into the highlighters. So I feel like I'm gonna be blushing the whole time of this video now, because that was definitely not planned at all. So I was swatching for you guys Wattabrat. Bring that back some. Yes, and Wattabrat is definitely my speed, okay? I love this beautiful pink. Like, I don't think I've seen a like really pretty pink highlighter like this. It's like just enough frost. It has a lot of glitter in it for sure. So you have to be, you know, probably have to be really careful with that. Then we've got Chillz. I'll show you guys how that looks on my hand. Oh, I kind of did like a fat swatch, huh? If you can see it, Chillz is also extremely high shine, high pigment, really glittery. Love. Oh, I also wanted to compare Chillz really quick. Chillz reminded me of Minted Mojito just a little bit, and so I wanted to see just how close Minted Mojito is next to Chillz. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch Minted Mojito just for my curiosity. I'm not sure if anybody else was curious like I was, but I wanted to see if, oh wow. Yeah, Minted Mojito is, I definitely thought that Chillz was gonna be kind of like a repeat of Minted Mojito. For anyone who didn't get the Beach Please collection last summer, but no, honey. Riri said, I don't know why you thought that I was basic like that. Ooh, that's Minted Mojito. And it has like a really nice purple, like lavender iridescent shine in it. And it's more of a frost. Then you've got Chillz here, which is on the more shiny, glittery side. So you've got more of a frost and a glitter. What I'm gonna do is create a look on my face using both of these. I'm gonna see what I create. Hopefully it doesn't clash too much with my hair. So I'm gonna start off with using the Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. And so I don't have to hurry up and let it dry, I'm gonna take a brush that I just kind of use for a multitude of things. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is dip into the color Saffron in the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette, and then just place that in the crease of my eyes. I'm going to dip into the NYX Red, and I'm just going to darken that up, make it pop a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna go in with Hennessy. I'm thinking this is the look for the girl who is just, let's say, okay, so just to keep it as a theme for Valentine's Day, this is the look for the girl who is sexy. She don't have time to be thinking about nobody else, but she does have a date, so she's deciding to jazz it up for one. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. We about to get into Wattabrat. Funny thing, my nickname growing up as a kid, my dad used to call me Britney. If you're a Britney, you get all type of names. So, but Britney was one of his favorite words to call me. Yeah, Britney was one of my nicknames, so I think it's cute. This highlight is called Wattabrat. In other news though, Wattabrat. Oh my gosh. Woo! Y'all don't understand the justice that my camera is not giving this beautiful, sparkly. Oh my goodness. This right here is my swag. Straight no chaser. This is very pretty. Like, I could cuss. It looks so good, but I don't cuss on my channel. At least I try not to. But I could cuss. I could cuss. That's how pretty this is. What are your thoughts? Okay, I did what I could with this eyelash, but yeah, I ultimately messed that up. Now for my inner corner highlight, I'm actually gonna go in with Chillz. Perfect. Y'all, do y'all see that? That is so fire. If this little eye look, minus the little flaw moments, is not convincing you to go out and get this, I don't know what to do anymore, because I haven't even put it on my face yet, and I'm already like, I'm so happy about this. We are gonna go ahead and switch out to the face, and I'm gonna go back in with Chillz. I want to use this as my highlighter. Before I put my highlight on, I'm gonna spray my face down with my Cover FX dewy spray. I always find that using a setting spray first before you put on your highlight really helps intensify your highlight. Right. Wow. Do you see what I mean? Ooh, beaming like a ray of moonlight shining on my face. Right? And if you want to just kind of tone it down, just tap with your finger. Like, this is not for the weak. You gotta be on it to wear like a frosty blue. Oh, my face looks so good. Yes, it does. If you feel like I'm going overboard and this is, you know, not your thing, then, you know, don't do it. You obviously don't have to do all this, but I want you guys to really just see what Chillz is doing to me, okay? That is the finished eye look. I'm gonna go ahead, snatch all of this off over here, and we are gonna go right into lips. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, we are back. Oh, what we ready for? We are gonna go ahead and just jump right in. You're about to see these swatches on these lips, so let me go ahead and get y'all zoomed in. Okay, everyone, welcome to the area that disrespects me the most, my mouth. So the first lip we are putting on is Unattached. I love this. I love it by itself. I'm bold enough to wear it by itself. You could wear a lip liner, especially if you are scared of something this bold. For kicks, we'll just take my brown because we can dull her down real quick. I'm really surprised that with the color this light, I only needed to dip my wand like one time. Just adding a little bit of brown. I didn't perfect it or anything, but just adding just a little bit of a line to it brought it down just a little bit. Unattached is still popping. I love it. Let's move on. Okay guys, and this is unlocked. Yes, unlocked. Very fuchsia, looks just like it does in the bottle. She's really pretty. And she looks really good with this finished look. This is the Undefeated Stunna Lip Paint. Yes. I see why she undefeated, okay? I actually don't mind this with this look either. Okay guys, so that is it. Let me know what you think in the comments below of these lips. Which lip was your favorite? Was it the Undefeated, Unlocked, or Unattached? Which one was it? Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you plan on buying either one of these beautiful freestyle highlighters here. They are gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers out there and Lovers Lane, you know what I'm saying? If you single and you ready to mingle, happy Valentine's Day to you as well. And if you don't celebrate it, then who cares about Valentine's Day? Anyway, if you guys plan on doing something this weekend or even tonight, make sure you are safe doing it. Whatever you are doing, that sounded bad, but I mean, it is Valentine's Day. Hey, I don't know what you got going on, what you got planned, but whatever it is, dates, hanging out with the girls, hanging out with the guys, whatever you got going on, make sure you are safe doing it, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Because me and my little cherry earrings is waiting on you to do your thing. Do your thing. See, I did my part. I did what I had to do today. I need you to go ahead and smack that subscribe button, tap that bell so that anytime I upload, you get notified, okay? All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.